with Anne Rice after the success of The Walking Dead, and I know I've given you an Anne Rice interview with a vampire clip, but with Anne Rice, with the success of The Walking Dead, AMC came to us and said, well, we got to keep going. And they took Anne Rice, who only sold 150 million books, and they acquired all the rights. Interview with a Vampire and Mayfair Witches and on and on and on. So we of course jumped on that, and we're building out the immortal universe. What is that? That's a erotic, after dark world of vampires, sexiness. A lot of Anne Rice's, stuff has got that cool, sexy vibe to it. So now we're bringing that into the world of, the virtual world, the metaverse. And we're creating those environments that fans, we sold 3,333 vampire coffins.
All right, we got one actually here. We're going to play it. This is one of those coffins.
So let me tell you about these coffins.
Tell me about them.
All right, so it's super cool because each coffin, first of all, is a unique design. Again, a one of one. These aren't just normal coffins. These are coffins that vampires...
Clearly not normal coffins.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
These are vampire coffins.
Right.
Now, vampires not only sleep in those, but everyone has its own intricate design to it. So everyone is different. Okay, that was our starting point. Again, this is the pass, the entry into the immortal universe. Gets you in. You own a vampire coffin, it opens up the doors for you. But we did something pretty cool. We put some tech into these vampire coffins. So here's what I mean by that. We built code to tap into your time zone on your computer. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, vampires are known to open up their coffins at night and explore the world at night because they can't be in daylight. Otherwise they melt, disintegrate. So we decided that we're going to build tech into these NFTs. If you're in the UK and you're at night, at darkness, your vampire coffin automatically opens up. It reads the clock, the internal clock on your computer at sundown and opens up. Now, I'm in the United States in California. It's still daylight for me. My coffin remains closed until it reads my clock, and then my coffin opens up. So everyone around the world has their coffin opening and closing in different times based on the internal clock in their computer. So we built some really cool tech with that. The second part, it's cool. The second part of that is now we're building, again, you're going to be buying avatars, characters from the show that look unbelievably lifelike. You're going to be killing vampires. You're going to be exploring this world. You're going to be engaged in the Anne Rice. Now, the cool thing about that is that's the vampire stuff. We're about to launch the Mayfair Witches, which is another Anne Rice property that AMC, she of course wrote books, and AMC has those rights and has a new TV series. We're going to be selling keys. These are really the immortal key pass. So, and these worlds collide. We're blending them together. And the same thing with The Walking Dead, and that's our vision at Orange Comet. How do you take a fan of The Walking Dead, move them into the world of vampires, move them into the world of witches, move them into these other worlds, blending this under one big umbrella? And so we're doing that with all of our properties, all of these entertainment properties we have.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim, watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.